Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Pocket Change Orange puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Brian Cran and made by Puzzled by Piker. Difficulty level of the Pocket Change Orange puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove the coin that is hidden inside of the puzzle. But if you take a closer look, you will find that there are no moving parts. You can see one opening here, another here, one more opening here, and one more here, but there are no moving parts. The puzzle looks like a 3D printed brick, and still you have to figure out the way how to remove the coin. The Pocket Change Orange is a part of Pocket Change puzzle series. There are many different puzzles. They all have different colors, and the names depend on the color. Pocket Change Orange, Red, Purple, and so on. All puzzles are 3D printed. They are quite well made, and they have small size, and they are affordable. They are not expensive at all. The Pocket Change Orange puzzle isn't the hardest puzzle in the series, but it has quite interesting solution which will take some time to find. If you like the Pocket Change Orange and you want to buy it, or you want to buy some other puzzles from the Pocket Change series, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. Even though the puzzle looks like a brick at a first glance, there is a part that you can move here. If you grab the puzzle like that with the opening here, try to remove this part. You will be able to move it just a little bit, but that's enough. Flip the puzzle and you will be able to remove this part. There is a metal pin inside that holds this piece in the puzzle. Next, you will find that this part has a similar size as the puzzle, as the openings on the sides, and you can push it either here or here. So you have to push it from this side and then shake it a little bit so that the coin will drop down. Now the coin is inside of the puzzle. Now you have to push on this side, and you can see through this tiny hole. You won't be able to see through this hole, but I can see just a little bit. You will see there that the coin is somewhere in this part of the puzzle, and there are metal pins that are holding the coin. If you flip it so that this big opening will be facing down, you won't be able to remove the coin. But if you shake the puzzle, the pins will be released and the coin will drop down. You can actually try not to shake, but try to spin the puzzle. Oh, sorry, almost dropped the puzzle. And you probably have heard it, the coin dropped down, and now you can remove. There are two pins inside. When you spin the puzzle, the pins retract and you can remove the coin. The other way is to shake it a little bit, not as good as spinning, not as elegant, but works sometimes as well. To put the coin back, just drop it here. Make sure that the pins will be released and the coin goes all the way down. Now grab the tool, push on this side. Now you have to put the coin down here again. Either shake the puzzle so that the pins will release the coin like that. The coin is here. Or you can again spin it and the coin will drop down. Now put the tool here, push it in, the coin will go up, and the puzzle is solved. Now you just have to put the tool back inside of the puzzle and lock it with the pin that is hidden inside. And when the tool is inside, the puzzle is solved. And that was the solution of the Pocket Change Orange puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try the rest of the puzzles from Pocket Change series, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.